Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety items, check the hoist service tag and battery level, and inspect the sling for damage. Once done, explain to the resident what you will do and why. That reduces anxiety and improves cooperation. Make sure the hoist base is positioned correctly with wheels locked and legs spaced to fit under chairs or beds. Prepare any restraints or padding needed, and align the sling under the resident following the manufacturer's markings so the lift will be balanced. You now attach the sling to the spreader bar, following the labeled sequence. This ensures correct posture and reduces tipping. Once clips are fitted, perform a slow test lift a few centimeters off the surface to check balance and resident comfort. Watch breathing, skin pressure, and expressions. If the resident leans or sags, lower and adjust loop positions or reposition the sling under lumbar and thighs. Keep communicating. Tell them each small movement so they stay calm and help if able. You move the hoist slowly to the target surface, keeping the resident steady, and lock the wheels before lowering to prevent shifts. Once over the chair or bed, lower the sling gradually while supporting legs and shoulders so the resident lands in a safe, comfortable position. After placement, ensure posture and pressure areas are correct. Remove or fold sling per protocol. If the resident feels unstable or the lift hesitates, stop. Recheck sling attachments and spreader bar alignment. Reassess before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.